yok mai kilong kumni. Apo East Coast Hills R kidiki high risk case, East Giant Hills South kidiki returnees, East Coast Hills South Pusan, but nakini South Pusan, way di na po ka Barapathar cluster, Khat R na Golfling cluster, Khat San kidiki high risk contacts, way di na po Pitting Road cluster, South kidiki na po Laban cluster, Lai kidiki na Mokrem cluster, Iway di Nangmansang cluster, Iway na po Police Bazaar cluster, Nriw na Penthor cluster, Iway na po Rilbong cluster. Ribhoy, Sun, kidiki high risk, Southwest Garo Hills, Iway, kidiki armed forces, paramilitary forces, but West Giant Hills, Iway, kidiki high risk case. Menang ila kadom ni kini district wise distribution ng COVID-19 cases Meghalaya ko makalong manta. East Garo Hills baru ki case ki bangiyo hadu manta ko East Garo Hills kilong sispa ndai. The total active case ki bangidan hadu manta kilong Nriw kibala kot dan kibala recover sispa ndai but undan bakhlak atau East Garo Hills, East Giant Hills, life spa Arthupra, total confirm case bangiyo. Pada kini ibadah aktif hadu menta kilong aspa new pusau, ibala kot, bala discharge kilong san pusau, undan baklat hang po ni ke district. East Coast Hills, Lai Hajar, Sispa Hadlai di total confirmed cases. Total active case ke mengidan menta kilong si Hajar Southpa New Kuwait. But ki bangila discharge belakot dan ki bala recover kilong si Hajar terus pa New. But ki baklat for East Coast Hills kilong life sa. North Garo Hills life are case ki barang confirm hadu menta South ki barang non active Arfu Praya ki day ki bala recover but undan baklat apo ni district Ribhoy barkhat ki case dan Laispa Arfu Praya ki bangiyo positive ki barang non active ki long Sispa life unreal but ki bala recover lening ila discharge ki long Aspa life a hang neru undan baklat South Garo Hills baru ki confirm case ni New York kilong life new. The total active ki baradan menta hadu menta sini kilong real. But ki bala recover dan ingin discharge kilong life way. But hang ni undan baklat manu. Southwest Garo Hills baru ki bala positive kilong life new. Ki bala active dan life new kilong Khatsan. R2R today mengelak discharge, but undan baklat only for district. Southwest Coast Hills kidan tang pra ibra confirm today ki COVID-19. Nriw today ibra nang active menta, but R today ki mengelak discharge, but undan baklat harani ke district. West Garo Hills Nriw pa san Sulai ki test positive baru belum lang. Banda kini sispa jauh kidang long aktif, sanspa satu kidai kibala recover, kidai kibala kelak no. West Giant Hills, South baru bengyo kibala positif, kendai kibala long aktif mentah, life kidai kibala kot dan kibala recover. But undan baklat apa ni district West Giant Hills.
Yang apa? Kita mengenai tak ada case.
Ini sih tinggal kau sini. Apa West Giant Hills? West Coast Hills, Nriw South, Hadlai, kidai Nriw South kidai total active, or total positive case bungiyo, khát lai thì đang là active some flow thì đây là recover but we not discharge but even khlat